In the Batcave.
Batman! Batman!
What is it, Robin?
Two-Face is on the loose. GCPD is trying to catch up to him, but with no luck.
Well, that's not my problem.
Batman!
Fine.
We gotta go!
Okay, I'm going. Da-bum-ba-da. To the Batmobile!
Whoa, what's this?
Oh, it's the new Batmobile.
Looks kinda old, actually.
She's a beauty, isn't she?
What happened to the BVS Batmobile?
Oh, it's somewhere here. I think. I have way too many Bat vehicles.
We gotta go! Okay, let's go.
Vroom. Vroom. Da-bum-ba-da.
Hey Batman, I'm back from vacation.
No time, Peter. I gotta go. Da-bum-ba-da. Vroom. Haha, you cops will never catch me.
Dang it, we're never gonna catch him. We didn't even put that bat signal button. Oh, if Batman was here, this would be a lot better.
Justice doesn't take a holiday, Commissioner.
My goodness, Batman. I'm so glad you...
Luna is getting away!
Not on my watch. Da-bum-ba-da. Haha, not even Batman can catch me now. Boom.
It seems as if there's some excess weight slowing down the Batmobile a little bit.
I see.
Oh, wait, no, Batman. No, don't do it, Batman. Don't do it.
See you, Robin. Da-bum-ba-da. Oh shoot, he's catching up. Da-bum-ba-da. You know what? This is getting kind of boring. Oh wait. Oh yeah. You'll never put me back in jail, Batman. Ha 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 ha. Oh, I have no intention of doing that. Wait, what? Jump. Bat missile, go! Ow. That really hurts. That really hurts. Oh god. Wait, seriously? He's alive? You'll pay for this, Batman. Henchman 2, get him.
Take this, Batman. Oh shoot.
You might be able to apprehend me, Batman, but you'll never find out where I hid the money.
Where'd you put the money?
You'll never know. You know I know it's right there in that safe, right? Damn it. I mean, I literally blew up your truck and it's right there. Yeah! Ha! This is where you die, Batman. Well, right after I flip my coin. Heads you live, tails you live. Wait, what? Wait, no. Heads you live, tails you die. Yeah, that's what I said. Wait, no. Let me try again. 1 second. 3, 2... You're done! Oh my god, Robin, you saved me!
Does this mean I can have an actual room and not sleep in the dog's house?
No.